Is your external component the libgnustep back.0.26.dll not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish your desktop software links. Before we begin the walkthrough for libgnustep back.0.26, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the libgnustep back.0.26, the GNUstep Backend Library v0.26. It provides unmanaged graphics abstraction, managing the data link between the localized app logic and the Windows graphics subsystem manifest. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. libgnustep back.0.26 is a key part of the desktop software runtime file set. A clean reinstall of the latest version of your desktop software will repair any missing or corrupted components without affecting your other Windows settings. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with libgnustep back.0.26. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Please use caution. Replacing libgnustep back.0.26.dll manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for libgnustep back.0.26. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for libgnustep back.0.26 or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.